Decoding the phrase, earful. Hello dear learners. Today, we are going to explore a commonly used English phrase, earful. By the end of this video, you will understand its meaning and how to use it in conversations. Earful is an informal phrase in English, and it doesn't literally mean a full ear. When someone says they got an earful, it means they received a lot of information or advice, often more than they expected or wanted. It can also imply that someone was given a lengthy reprimand or lecture. So, it's all about getting a lot of words or information in one go. To better understand, let's consider some examples. 1. At work. Imagine returning from a long vacation, and your colleague says, "Let me give you an earful about what happened while you were away." This means they're going to tell you a lot about the events that occurred during your absence. 2. At home. If a teenager breaks a house rule and their parent says, "You're going to get an earful when you get home," it implies that the teenager is going to hear a long lecture or reprimand about their behavior. It's informal, so use it in casual conversations and not in formal writing or speeches. Context is key. Ensure the listener understands the nature of the earful, whether it's just a lot of information or a reprimand. I hope this has cleared up the meaning and usage of the phrase, earful. Remember, language is all about context, and the more phrases like this you know, the richer and more varied your English conversations will be. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.